Queen and King, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is my cousin. Make sure to subscribe sa
Ay, Tito Nick niya na.
Yeah.
Tito Nick. Pamangking ko.
Mga Queen and Kings, please
Princess.
subscribe to her.
Ano ang pangalan mo?
She's a respect girl.
Nene. Nisha.
She's a respect girl. So guys, please subscribe to her. Nini, ano ba laman nito?
Tito Nick. Mabait yan.
Ito guys, so yung nickname ko guys, Nini and my real name is Ayla. RXY.
Dito na
Ayla.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello po.
Oh.
Tagalog.
Tagalog mo. Galing
Hello.
no.
Ulo.
Ba't parang hindi?
Parang ano?
Sabi mo.
Sabi mo. Oh, ulo.
I thought you don't know how to speak Tagalog.
Hindi ko alam English.
Oh.
Hindi siya marunong mag-English nga. Tagalog yan.
Eh, ba't parang...
Parang,
Sabi mo siya.
parang Tagalog siya.
English tayo.
Okay, sa mga Queen and King, nasa Boracay po kami ngayon. I'm with my cousin's butter right now. IDKY, I'm borrowing her butter. Ay, mga namin katawa butter. So, namin ng first time.
Wait! Wait! Asap mo?
Dapat inaano ko to. English lang sa So Queen and Kings, she has like 38 subscribers and I'm just like 37 subscribers, but that's still okay. Hey guys, so it's Q and Cakes. She's Queen. Subscribe to her channel. That's your other cousin. Ano pangalan mo? Hey guys, so hey guys, I'm with Star and her real name is Queen and my fake name is fake name pala. And her real name is Star. And hey guys, I'm with my cousin Star. Sabihin mo Queen man. Hi guys, her fake name is Queen. And her YouTube channel is Queen Emila. Yeah, and here's my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. So I'm just gonna put there in the caption and make it simple. Especially to me too. So guys, ba't may umbrella doon na maliit? Ha? May umbrella doon na maliit. The kids is there, just wait there guys and enjoy with my cousin playing and talking kasi po, she's talkative.
Pipin! Ayos! Yung sa Eli?
Yan o. Ipopost ko yan sa inyo. Hi, Starlets!
Bitit! Hi!
So guys, sorry guys! Hi! Hi, mga Queen and King. Talag na kayo, baba na, baba. Utar na, baba. Ganto ba spelling ng Eli? Baba kayo, Li. Ganto ba spelling ng Eli?
Sinakalbo!
Hi guys, so this is me again. So nagkain na po sila, right? So make sure guys there's a police. No worries guys, that's nothing. Yeah, they're just so talkative, like we're guys. When there's a police, our families are overreacting. Like bro, they're so scared. They're like just gonna arrest them.
Ikaw ako.
A day in my life, I'm poop. Lagay ka na sa box. Kasi papakita ko pa kay Tita Kate.
Ba't dati naman? Ba't may
Pa, ulit ko lang sa box. Ang dami na answer. Pa, ulit ko lang sa box. Ano ko na? I'll try. It's just like... Hi guys, so wait for my part 2. Bye-bye!